of course. Thanks.
Will I know your name?
Yes, of course. My name is Ella Nuraila Masifa.
Yes, we will be my name. Through the year we are from National High School student Hannah.
Nice to meet you.
How are you this afternoon?
I am very well, thank you. How are you?
I was also good. If you know what we gonna do.
Yes, I know. I will be interviewed by you guys. I'm here to help on your job interview.
Well, can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Ella Nuraila Masifa, 20 years old. I graduated from High School Kadipaten Dakit County. My hobby was
Do you have experience in the job you seriously coffee?
no, my first time to apply for this job.
What made you decide to apply for this job?
I think this work is very positive for me. So I chose a job teaching English.
Well, this is a very good